Hi, welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to be talking about the Sentry mode that comes standard with the Tesla Model 3. This is a nice feature to have. It's basically a free dash cam that comes with the car. So when you're in park, you can turn it on and it'll record around the car with all the cameras. If anyone gets within a foot or two of the car, it'll start recording and it will save the clip to a USB that you plug into the dash. So one way to do it is when you're in park, if you click this icon up on the top right hand corner, that's one way to turn it on quickly. So that if it has the red dot there, that means it'll record when you exit the vehicle. Another way to do it is to actually go into the control screen, which on the bottom left hand corner here, if you click the car icon and then you go to safety and security, scroll down here, here's Sentry mode. You turn it on. If you have it on here, it'll always record when you're in park. This method up here on the top right where I clicked before, that's case by case, so every time you leave the car you would have to click that. If you go into the settings and turn it on here, then every time you leave the car it will turn on. You can exclude home, exclude work, exclude favorites. So if you park in your garage at home, there's no reason to be running Sentry mode, so then you can just hit exclude home and it won't use the battery to record all night with the Sentry mode. So those are just some settings on how to turn the Sentry mode on and to exclude certain places on the Tesla Model 3. So thanks for watching.